Ooh, got it. All right, how was that? Give you a second. I'll walk away to give you space. So that bone was really rotated. Last one. There it goes. All right, I got you. Come on back. That part's done, okay? So just to the jaw a little bit. So here we are in Rising Starr Horse Rescue. I've been here a bunch of times and I'm back. And this is Laddie. And Laddie likes me, I guess, or at least wants me stepping away. But we're going to work on some horses today and they do such great things here. So check out their information that we have down below and also in the description box. And they take donations. You can sponsor a horse. Really helps them out. They're a nonprofit. And they take in surrender horses, they take in rescue horses or horses that are being sent to slaughter unnecessarily. And they just do such great work. So I've known them for a couple of years now, and they're not too far from where I live, so I like coming out here, and so excited to be back. Here we are at Rising Starr Horse Rescue. I'm here with Kelly, the founder. What are we going to do today? Who's this?
This is Joey, and Joey is a Hackney pony. And he went through auction many, many years ago. You're a good boy.
And how old do you think Joey is?
18, 20,
okay.
21, in that area. He's sound and active. He does little people get on him and still ride him. Mm-hmm. He has had some serious nasal issues. We've had to do surgery twice and kind of cut into the side of his head, particularly on this side. He gets infections.
And so he had some surgery up there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep, they had to go in and clean his sinuses out and drain them a few times.
Yeah, I have this technique called cranial facial release. We go in with a balloon, and I'm just joking. We don't do it with horses. Oh. So we're not going to do that today. Don't worry.
But I figure you ever have a sinus headache, how awful he must feel sometimes.
Yeah, it must be horrible.
Really pay attention.
Yeah. You know, it's hard to, there's no reason why a horse couldn't get a headache, right? But they don't express themselves and say, boy, I have a headache today.
They're typically very stoic, so it is hard. Yeah. You really have to listen.
So let's just check you real quick. I know you have a lesson in a few minutes, so we only have you for a couple of quick seconds. But would it be okay if I check a few things on you today? All right. It's okay if we start?
Yeah.
All right, so let's do some stuff. Joey, you're going to look this way. I'm going to just check your cervicals. Coming down. There's actually one right here on the left, so I'm going to switch sides with you. It's at C3, I think. Let's see. It's right there, so I'm going to turn you this way. A little more, a little more, a little more. Ooh, got it. All right, how was that? Give you a second. I'll walk away to give you space. So that bone was really rotated. I'm about to sneeze. Let's feel it now. Good. Let's come down the back. Okay. A little bit here at T4. Ooh.
Okay, buddy.
Okay. So this side's off a little bit. So I want to come around here. I'm going to come under. It's an AS ilium, so the ilium went anterior superior is the misalignment direction. So I'm going to come underneath and come up in this kind of angle here. I'm going to kind of wait till he leans into me a little bit and lift up. There it goes.
Oh, good boy, Joey.
Okay, good. Much better. Let me see what that looks like from behind. Oh, good. Okay, so that's good. So it's level. So that's I was just down a little bit. You see this? I'm gonna push into the hip a little bit. Soft. This is more soft. Good. And watch them step. Good. Okay. I'm going to pick up this front leg if I can have that, please. There it goes. Nice. Can I have this one? Good. This one feels just more like the shoulder, isn't it? Look at that.
Oops, sorry.
Here we go. It's going to just lift it. Ooh, do you guys hear that?
That was loud.
That was really loud. All right, let's put that down. There you go.
Good boy, Joey.
What do you think about that one? Okay, your shoulder really good. I can't do it. All right, last little bit. Hip feels better. The pelvis is level. Shoulder feels good. That feels good. I want to check your TMJ too, because the sinuses, the TMJ is very sensitive, and I'm going to kind of come under here. Yeah. One more. Last one. There it goes. All right, I got you. Come on back.
Boy.
That part's done, okay?
It's okay, Joey. It's okay.
So adjust to the jaw a little bit. All right, so we're all done. We just did a quick little run around with Joey, and we got his few different areas, right? So leave Joey a comment. Joey's a big part of Rising Starr Horse Rescue. He's about to give a lesson. So thanks for catching me before you went to work. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for checking this out. Please like and subscribe. Otherwise, this horse might come show up in your kitchen one day. That makes no sense.